depression is real. And it feels differently for many of us. So I'm just going to speak from my experience. And then the other thing is that it's real, but not everything we tell ourselves in the midst of depression is true. Tara Brach, a well-known meditation teacher and psychologist, often says, real, but not true. So, these feelings are real, but the things we tell ourselves are not necessarily true. The feelings of being tired that I get, the feelings of wanting to sleep all the time, the feelings of not having the energy to work or take care of the things that I need to do. These are all real. But then there's also stories that I tell myself when I'm in the midst of a deep depression. Like, I can't do this. I can't do this difficult thing. Oftentimes that's not true. Or, I'm not capable of this. Or, I just can't live this life anymore. I don't want to keep going on this way. Real, but not true. Not true. Because we have deeper selves where instead of focusing on all the hard parts of life, we can focus on love. And even if we don't believe it, we can still say to ourselves, I love you. And saying this, I love you, even if you don't believe it, allows me to shift our focus from the things that aren't true or the things that are tearing us apart to caring for ourselves. And when we care for ourselves, we'll begin to feel that more deeply. Begin to feel the love more deeply. Instead of the self-doubt, self-hatred, self-loathing. So that's what we're going to focus on in the meditation today. I invite you to sit in a quiet place, and as quiet as it can be, and try to find a still place, and we'll begin. Take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Now I invite you to put your hand on your heart. And say, I love you. I love you. I love you. And today some really deep emotions were coming up for me of uncertainty. And then I said, I love you deeper. I love you deeper. And I began to feel the deeper love. Because sometimes saying I love you to yourself can feel kind of shallow. I love you deeper. And then that difficult thing comes up. And I say, I love you more. I love you more. I love you through the depth of this difficulty. I give you a big hug and hold you tight, that you may get a sense of safety. Of relief. A gentle fading of the pain. Warmth. Warmth in your body. Warmth in your soul. To that feeling of brokenness, like something's missing. Feel wholeness, that you are complete. Know this love deeply. Know that you need to love yourself so that you can love other people in the world. You need to start by loving yourself. Care deeply for yourself. I want you to be well. May you be happy, healthy, safe, and feel wholeness and peace. May you be well.